Continuous improvement is an ongoing investment into identifying opportunities for increasing efficiency and reducing waste. But why is this important? How does management do that successfully? What processes do they use, and what benefits are they reaping? I contacted 4 precision machine shop managers and asked them these questions. All of them said it's critical to get all employees on board with improvement methods, making it a part of the company's culture. While some precision machine shops use tools that are widely available within the machining community, such as lean concepts, others have created their own processes. I learned that there's no right or wrong way to do continuous improvement because it should be custom made for each individual company. Trial and error is part of discovering the best method.